Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the DYISLAND LD-200PLUS e-bike 2 pistons hydraulic disc brake set. This product is considered one of the best hydraulic brakes for bikes available in the market. The DYISLAND LD-200PLUS e-bike 2 pistons hydraulic disc brake set comes with a 2 pin power-off electric induction control system. The kit includes two 2,300mm brake hoses that can be cut to the desired length. Pre-filled with environmentally friendly mineral oil, and separated for easy internal routing. The thickened rotor, MT600 sintered metal brake pads, and high-quality materials make this brake set suitable for e-bikes. The kit includes everything you need for installation, including brake levers, calipers, thick rotors, mounting adapters, and screws. The manufacturing material is of high quality, with a CNC aluminum caliper and high manganese stainless steel brake discs. The electric induction control system ensures safe riding by cutting off the power output of the motor when braking. Measure and cut the brake hoses to the desired length. Install the calipers, rotors, and brake levers according to the instructions. Ensure the wiring and sensor connections are correct for optimal performance. In conclusion, the DYISLAND LD-200PLUS e-bike 2 pistons hydraulic disc brake set is a top-of-the-line product for e-bikes. Its high-quality construction, excellent braking performance, easy installation makes it a great choice for any e-bike enthusiast looking to upgrade their brakes. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and stay tuned for more reviews on the best products available.